Got the book.
Good morning. Oh, how delightful.
Dad, what's...
Peter Pants! I seem to have found myself in a bit of a sitch. I'm tied on the back of a horse at the moment. Oh, this will be fun. I love words.
Yelling won't make me read faster.
Shit.
Him the first time, didn't I?
And you didn't think it might be a good idea to let me down?
Song! Yes! Yes! Cántalo, baby!
Here we go. Here we go.
Tis protein, I suppose.
Oh, well, that sounds like something that can happen from time to time.
And he probably cheated on me.
Well, that's...
Know that you are on my mind. Mary sins miss, truer love is hard to find.